Hey, what's up, y'all? On this sexy Saturday, the snowstorm has finally arrived. It's actually snowing. Give all glory and honor to God on this sexy Saturday. If you ain't got nowhere to go, then don't go. Stay home, stay warmed, and get a little snow company coming in tonight. Snuggle up. The storm is here, y'all. But drive safe, be careful, get your shopping on early, and stay prayed up. Just stay prayed up. Through God, all things are possible. But take care, have a good day, stay warmed, and go inside. You don't got to be in the street. The snowstorm has arrived. Ooh, it's cold outside. It's cold outside. Thank God for heat.